Hey guys, this is T4Tech and welcome to my channel again. If you don't subscribe my channel, hit the subscribe button and enjoy the video. Hey guys, this is T4Tech and today I'm gonna show you how to download Sony Vegas Pro 13 that you are searching frequently here and there, but you can't download it because there is lot of survival on the website. Now I will give you a drive link, then you can download the file in one click. This is fully free and you can download it without any survival through my drive link, and all the file is tested and they are virus free. So let's enjoy the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. At first you need to copy the drive link, then paste it to your browser. Here is the Vegas 13 0.453.exe. though I have already downloaded the file, so I am not downloading. Now let's see the file. Just you need to double click on the exe file, it will start setting. If you have any question with this video, never forget to write a comment in the comment box. Surely I will try to solve your problem. Thank you.